Hey everyone, this is Paul from Day to Day Fixes, and in this video I just want to give a quick update on the Ultraloq Latch 5 Smart Wi-Fi lock that I have. The current one that I have was sent to me as a replacement by Amazon because the original one that I bought, the screen after a few weeks wasn't working correctly. Only the thumbprint would work. Now, I've been using the replacement for about a month or so, and what I've noticed is on the app, initially when I wanted to check the log wouldn't work. It wouldn't show up, and if it would show up it would say empty, even though the log has been working. The fingerprint has been working fine, the code has been working good, but I can't see the log. It shows up empty. After a week or two, then I noticed that opening the lock remotely wasn't working as well. I wasn't able to open the lock using the app. I've contacted customer service. They were very helpful. They had me reset the lock. Now, yes, that did work for a while. I reset the lock. It worked maybe for a few days, and then it came back. Now, right now it says Wi-Fi is disconnected. I am currently remote from the location and on Wi-Fi, and it should work. At the location, I know there's Wi-Fi. I have confirmed. I have gone to the location as well, tried it right next to the lock, and it doesn't work. I've been in contact with the customer service again. After resetting the lock, I explained to them the situation, and all I had to do is send them the invoice that I have from Amazon, and they sent me a replacement. I will be installing that tomorrow. Hopefully there will be no more issues. If there is another one, I'll make sure to create another quick video and let you know what was wrong with that one. Fingers crossed there's nothing else wrong. Alright, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.